What's going on, guys? Balkan Architect here, and in today's video I would like to talk about the floor plan layout design in Revit. Now, I find this topic to be incredibly important, and the main reason is because that was what initially grabbed my attention when I started to learn Revit for the very first time. So, as everybody knows probably at this point, Revit is an extremely complex piece of software. It takes a long time to understand all of the little intricacies, all of the little settings, and to actually get Revit to do exactly what you want it to do. But the first thing that captured my attention is the ease in which you can create your floor plan layouts. You can move things around, you can test out different design ideas, you just place a wall, you move it around, you place different families, different furniture, and so on. So it's an incredible tool when it comes to changing the design and going to as many variations as you need to get to the actual final floor plan design. For this reason, I think it's really important for beginners to be shown exactly how powerful Revit is in this regard. Now, because of this, I have created my architecture design template for Revit, and in this template I have my minimalistic Revit families that include all of the necessary elements that you need for a simple floor plan design. And when I say minimalistic, it means that we have really simple, elegant families that don't really introduce any design to your project. Your design is your thing, and the families are there just to represent furniture. So that was the whole idea behind that template. Now I have updated the template, and I have included in 1 hour and 20-minute course where I have added just my approach to creating floor plans in Revit. I think that with this template, even beginners can use the power of Revit when it comes to template design, because everything is already set up. You have all of the families there loaded, and all of the settings, all of the visualization settings are there. Everything is set up, and then you can immediately get started with that. So that template is available on my website. I'm going to include it as the first link in the description just below the video. And I believe that this is so important to beginners that I have even included this template now as a free addition to my beginner to intermediate Revit course. So if you get my course as a one-time payment option, you will get the template as part of that for free, and all the template plus the whole course. I think it's really important to kind of illustrate to beginners how great Revit is at this option where you can kind of move things around really quickly, really test everything out, and then you can get to the best possible layout solution for your floor plan. So I just wanted to kind of talk about this, a new addition to the to my architecture design template. I think it's important to have a little bit of education with the template so you know how to use it in the best possible way. So I have created a simple project, and I show you everything step by step to creating the whole layout, how easy it is when you have the correct families, and the families that are made to make everything really simple and easy. And then also I show you a few visualization tricks towards the end, how to make it look really nice and cool for the presentation. So that's pretty much it, what I wanted to talk about today. Please check it out. It's available on my website, balkanarchitect.com. As I said, it's going to be the first link in the description. And if you get my whole beginner to intermediate level course, you will get this template as well as the course that goes with it absolutely for free. Okay, so that's pretty much it. At some time in the future, I will be releasing like a time-lapse video where I kind of speed everything up, and it's just how the whole thing is modeled. I think that's interesting. People like those time-lapse videos, so I'm going to include that as well on the channel probably in the next week or so. Of course, I'll be coming back with another Balkan Architect Revit tutorial in a couple of days. So stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. It helps me out a lot, and I'll be back soon. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.